have my heart in a tongue that we don't talk that much about. Now everything has been changing. Now we were close to being there in each other's songs, love and care. Time is told, it's a strange thing. I don't know if I should go. So get up out my way, get up out my way, 'cause I can't wait, I can't wait. Get up out my way, get up out my way, 'cause I can't wait, I can't wait. They say that people change and drift apart, go to separate ways. I don't care, I just need your loving. So many butterflies for you and I. Oh, baby, let's go. Don't tell us so. It's you and I. Get up out my way, 'cause I can't wait, I can't wait. Get up out my way, get up out my way, 'cause I can't wait, I can't wait. Get up out my way, get up out my way, I can't wait, I can't wait. Get up out my way, get up out my way, 'cause I can't wait, I can't wait. I just wanna hold it, I can't let a moment go by, go by. If every second's precious, I just hope my efforts are on time, on time. 'Cause I've been late before to that party. Joke's on me, girl, I'm sorry. I would make a fool of myself to make you all mine, all mine. Maybe when we link up, you could grab a drink and talk about your life, your life. We'll go all night, yeah. Get up out my way, get up out my way, I can't wait, I can't wait. Get up out my way, get up out my way, I can't wait, I can't wait. Get up out my way, get up out my way, I can't wait, I can't wait.
So hey guys, this was my video on my installation of this Luvme Virgin Hair U-part kinky straight unit. If you guys like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for supporting me, and I love this hair. I got so many compliments on it. People think it's my natural hair and it's growing from my scalp, so it's that natural. So make sure you guys leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next from me, and just stay tuned. All right, bye.